In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to your Google Ads account efficiently so you can keep your campaigns running smoothly and reach more customers online. This process is straightforward, but following along carefully is essential to avoid any hitches. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Google Ads homepage, a hub filled with resources designed for businesses aiming to boost visibility and sales through effective online advertising. Once you're there, you'll notice a prominent sign in button. Clicking this will prompt you to log into your Google Ads account. Once signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. Familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will be where you'll manage all aspects of your ad campaigns. But today we're focusing on billing, so let's keep our eyes on the main task. On the left hand side, you'll see a menu. From here, click on billing. This section is your command center for managing payments, setting budgets, and ensuring smooth financial transactions related to your ads. Take a moment to explore if you haven't already. It's key to understanding and controlling your ad spending. Next, look for settings within the billing section and click on it. This area allows you to tailor your payment options and contact preferences. It's crucial for setting up and managing who receives billing information and what payment methods you're using. A well-organized settings area means fewer surprises in your account statements. Now navigate to Payments Contacts. Clicking here will allow you to add or update contacts associated with your billing. Contacts are important if you work in a team or require certain individuals to oversee payment operations. Each contact can be tailored to receive specific billing notifications, ensuring everyone stays informed. Then you'll want to add a new contact by selecting Add a New Contact. Here you'll be prompted to fill in the relevant details, including the name and email address of the individual who needs billing access. It's useful to remember who exactly you want as a contact, as they'll be involved in processing and overseeing payments during transactions. Following these steps will ensure you're keeping your Google Ads account funded and ready, so you can continue to engage with your audience without interruption. Remember, the key to effective advertising is not just great content, but also ensuring that your campaigns are financially backed at all times. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your Google Ads account payments. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy advertising!